Hi, this is a short video to show you how to use Google Classroom. So first, your teacher will invite you to Google Classroom. They'll put your email address. So you just click here on join. This is just to confirm. Click join again. And here is the classroom. Your teacher might give you some work here. There might be things to discuss here if you want to say hello or speak to the class. You can type something here. You might have classwork. You might want to see the other people that are in your class. And your teacher can post assignments for you that will appear on here. If you just click on the assignment, this will tell you what it is. So the teacher said, open the Google Doc, put your answers. Miss Beth will check to help you. My document is over here. It has my name. So if I click on, this is open in my Google Docs. So in this one, the teacher has put the date. These are the questions. And if I type my answers here, the teacher will now be able to see this and can put some comments in there to help you. As you do it, it will save, so don't worry about it. When you finish, you can click on turn in. If the teacher wants you to turn it in, it's up to the teacher. And that means the assignment is finished. Okay, it's telling me I'm done, I'm finished. I might confirm to turn it in. And now the teacher will check my finished work and they know that you finished your work. If you click on submit, you can bring it back and finish it again and go back again. So this is how Google Classroom works.